excited. I'm going to LA for like 11 days. It's going to be a very, very long trip. I thought I would do a little prep and pack with me. I did one for Vegas a couple years ago and I absolutely loved it. And then I'm also going to take you guys on the trip, so we have a huge vlog coming. I'm currently on the way to my nail appointment. I'm getting these taken off and we're doing something very, very, very fun. I did already prep a little bit yesterday. I did a Brazilian lymphatic drainage massage. It was absolutely phenomenal to get all the toxins out of my body. I woke up feeling so skinny and I had abs. But of course I didn't film that, but I will show my results here, the before and after. It was quite amazing and I already have another one booked. It was literally phenomenal. I've got a fun appointment tomorrow and also we have a ton of packing to do, so let's go. I am at the gas station because your girl was like on empty and my nail appointment is like across the bridge. Did not have enough to get me over. Is done and now we're moving on to the nails. Here is the inspo, except we're not doing the 3D flower. We're just gonna have Maggie draw them on. But I'm so excited. Baby nails. Okay, she just finished up and holy crap, these are literally insane. They are so, so good. I am a little sad though because Maggie's been doing my nails for going on 5 years and she just told me that she's literally moving in August to Texas. And although I'm very happy for her, she's just been such a good friend and she's helped me through a lot. I mean, like we've hung out way past like just getting my nails done. She came to my like graduation party and I love her so, so much. She's just a great person. I'm super happy for her, but I'm like, now what do I do? Who am I supposed to go to? Because who can do nails this good? Like seriously, I mean, I'm sure there's so many other talented people here in Tampa, but it just makes me a little sad because I'm gonna miss her so, so much. But she did amazing. Super happy with yesterday's lymphatic drainage massage and then today's nails. Also really excited for all the other prepping that we have to do. Just got back from my nails and realized I did not show you guys what I got from Ulta. I went to Ulta 2 days ago because I needed some extra things for the trip. So this is a part of the video. It's a little haul. It's been so long since I've been to Ulta, so it was kind of amazing going in there. I picked up this little Kapari sun voyage set because we're going to Laguna Beach on, I believe, on Monday. It's like our first full day there. And I have like the full sizes, but like just going to the beach for one day, it's kind of not worth it to take the full sizes. So that's why I got this little set, and it has the On The Glow sheer stick, a body glow sunscreen, and also a sheer sunscreen setting mist. And it also comes in this really cute bag, so you're able to take it to the beach and get sand in it and everything, and all the sand will totally come out. So got this, love it so much. It's like one of the main reasons that I went there. I always take minis when I travel, so I got the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray, Medium Hold Hairspray, and then I picked up the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I've not tried this before. I just needed like a leave-in conditioner. My Kerastase one, they don't have it in a small version, the mini size for travel, so decided to pick this up. And then I've used this before, but I don't typically use it, so I thought I would just try it out for the trip. I did get 2 of these, but the other one's still in the bag. It's the Vacation by Vacation Perfume Mist. This is literally insane. The notes are coconut milk, bergamot, banana, pineapple, and pool water and sea salt. And I swear this literally smells like SPF beach and pool. Like it is literally, I gotta spray it. It's like that good. It's like Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, but like way better. So I picked up my mom and I both one because this is literally going in our beach bag and I'll be wearing this throughout the week because it's just like the best smell. And the last 2 things are the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I use the full size one to take off my makeup every single night. Really like it. It's one of my favorites. I also really love the pharmacy one. They're like both really phenomenal. Maybe the pharmacy one is a little bit more my favorite because it's less oily, but this one's still really good. And then I picked up these Moon Dissolving White Teeth whitening strips. And sorry, I'm gonna start using these tonight because my teeth are a little yellow. I drink a lot of coffee, so definitely need this. I also got a freebie. I actually have 2 freebies, but the other thing, the koozie, it's in my car because I had a sunscreen purchase. I literally had no idea. So got this hat and I feel like this is so cute. I'm not gonna take this because I don't have an excuse to wear it. Okay, look at my freaking arm muscles. Wow. Okay, sorry. but it's cute. I already know what hat I'm wearing to Laguna, so not gonna take this, but it is very cute and I will be wearing this throughout the summer. So this was my last minute shopping trip. I'm pretty sure I'm good to go now on all of the items that I use at home and I take when I travel. I also went to the mall, so let me show you guys a few dresses I got to wear in LA. I'm gonna be mostly wearing like, I think dresses, like denim skirts with like different cute tops, just like some simple but cute elevated outfits, and then elevate it like with accessories. So I got a few things. I think I'm gonna wear this on Rodeo when we go shopping all day. So this is the Priscilla dress. It's black. I got a size small and it's just really cute and simple. I really love how it fit on me when I tried it on. Just very adorable. It's like dressy, yes, but also I feel like a good daytime dress. Love the material, super, super flattering. I've also picked up this dress, which the client advisor threw in like to my fitting room, and of course I ended up loving it. This is the Influence mini dress, and I have this in a size 2. Also really adorable. I love the line right here. Like I think like this is very flattering. So got this to wear like throughout the day. I feel like this is gonna be adorable. And I just got some Prada like leather slides. I'll insert them right here. I got them for LA, but they're gonna be in my birthday haul, so be sure to stay tuned for that because like it's like a part of my birthday gift that I think I'm gonna wear with one of these dresses, probably the black one. And the last 3 things are my mom's. I got her the Babaton fluid black / light birch dress. I don't want to undo all her stuff, but it's black at the top and it's like a flowy black skirt. Got her the same dress in white, and then got it for her in all black because she likes options like I do. So that is the last minute Ulta and clothing shopping haul. Hi guys, it is now the next day. I am still just so happy with my nails. They turned out so well. I'm still mourning the loss of Maggie, but I have a spray tan. It's my first ever spray tan happening in 15 minutes. It's a mobile spray tan, and I'm honestly really excited. I've never done anything like this because I'm like naturally tan, but I wanted a really pretty like bronze glow for the trip. So the company I found, they do like mobile self tanning, which I feel like is pretty cool. They do custom colors, and not only that, they use Dolce Glow, which if you guys know and remember, when I used to like self tan, I used to only use Dolce Glow. Well, I haven't self tanned in like over a year, but like before that, I was only using Dolce Glow, and I would get it on Revolve, and it was the best stuff ever. I do use their face spray every night just for like a nice little glow, but Dolce Glow is my favorite. So the fact that they were all trained from the owner of Dolce Glow, her name is Isabel, is so cool. So I'm getting a custom tan that's also Dolce Glow, and it's just like such a good self tanner. So I'm really excited. I showered last night, scrubbed my body, shaved my body, and I'm feeling nice and smooth. I just took a body shower because the development is like 8 to 10 hours. So that's about it, but that is another little prepping moment for LA. Immediately after, I look so dark. You said we did Express, right? Yeah. We did the Express, so it goes on darker and it's gonna lighten up. You said 9:15? Yeah. 9:15, I'm washing it off, so here we are. First spray tan ever. Makes my muscles look good though.
I know, it definitely tones out.
That's a perk. I'm like, okay, I'm not muscular. That's cute. Hi guys, it is now Saturday. I literally leave. I have to wake up at 3:50 and it's 8:30 and I'm still not packed. But the good news is I do have everything laid out on my bed and I have my luggages open. So I'm gonna go through everything that I have to pack, and then from there, I feel like we can do like a little packing because I need to. Although there are certain things that I always save for the morning. I always save my phone charger and my makeup, even though I'm not doing makeup at 3:50 a.m. because I have some fun little in-flight TikToks I wanna make. And then I always leave my toiletries last as well. So I have a few things that I can't pack until I wake up, but we're gonna do the bulk of it tonight. And yeah, it's been a little stressful just because like I'm gone for so long that I have to really think about everything. But in good news, my spray tan turned out amazing. It's really good. Definitely a little bit lighter from when you saw me last. I've taken, I guess, 3 showers since then. You can kind of see it here. I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm still feeling very tan and bronzed, so that's a plus. I did get new luggage, which I'm so excited about. Base came out with like an orange flame, which honestly looks like so fire mate. So got the biggest one. I also have the small one, but for LA, says we're going for so long and I'm gonna be doing shopping. I have the big one and then just the medium size of the tan one. So these are the 2 luggages I'm taking. I know it seems like a lot, but honestly, your girl has a lot to pack and she's gonna shop. So all of my stuff is currently laid out on the bed. I'm gonna go over it with you guys, I did start my period today. I feel like I keep starting my period every time I vlog. So I've got tampons and pads. Just recently got these. These are actually going to be a part of my birthday haul. It's an early birthday gift to myself. Literally obsessed with them, and I'm so glad they came in time for the trip. So the only shoes I'm taking are my Uggs because I cannot go anywhere without them. I cannot walk around a hotel without Ugg slippers. I'm taking these, and then I have my Hermes ones right here. Those are the only shoes I'm taking, and then New Balances. I do always travel with a silk pillowcase, so I just got this new one on Sephora. Love the color. And then I got the matching eye mask, which is in my backpack. Got 2 pair of pajamas because sometimes I just sleep in underwear, so might not even use those half the time. I do have some like random hair stuff. Got stuff for the beach day. I got this stuff from Ulta that I showed you guys earlier in the vlog. Got 2 bathing suits. Got this one from Abercrombie, which I think I forgot to show you guys, but it's adorable. It has like little lobsters on it. Like, how cute. This needs to go in my work bag because that's where I take notes. And then moving on to all this stuff, I just have some lounge slash like running errands slash chilling in LA. So I have this like little Aritzia set. I don't even know how I got some stains on it already. Like, I feel like I'm so clumsy sometimes. Got these little Free People sets, this little aloe set as well that I just got. And then I have this knit red aloe set for like product knowledge meeting that we do with our distributors. And then I could also wear this out because it's like so cute. Tons of workout stuff for walks. We're gonna hike to the Hollywood sign, so that'll be fun. Definitely stay tuned for the vlog because that's gonna be a lot of fun. And then I have some like dresses and rompers here. I mean, they're all kind of just like random tube top dress. I have this one from Aritzia, I have another black one, and then a white one from Aritzia. Bunch of tops over here to go with some denim shorts, skirts over here, my work shirts, my work jeans, bras and undies, and accessories, and then some more hair tools right there. And then I have these packing cubes. These are from Amazon. I've had these for so long, so I'm just gonna pack away all of my stuff. I do separate all of my work stuff from like my fun stuff, so this is strictly going to be my work bag with my work boots, my PPE. Also got these super cool Hydro jugs. Got them engraved. It says Goria Corp. Like, literally how cool. Just wash them and I'm obsessed. They're 20 ounces, so they're like perfect for traveling. And then I also got this base crossbody because it matches the color of our company. So yeah, all of my work stuff's gonna go in here, like literally every ounce of work, and then in here is gonna be like all of my fun stuff, and then there's gonna be room for shopping. One luggage packed, and we have 1 more to go. First thing I'm gonna pack are my matching sets, just so I can know that they're all together if I need a very quick and easy outfit.